Hello friends, welcome to Oma's Skills Academy. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to create a Facebook page. The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook, and the next thing you should know is that you cannot run advert on your main account or your profile account. No, you cannot run advert. You must create a business page through your profile account. So how are you going to do it? You locate these three hamburger up here. That's these three horizontal line. You click on it. You can see I'm touching it. Then you click on it. If you click on it, you will see pages. My own is up here. Your own might be here. So you click on create, you click on pages, you click on it, then up here you will see create, you will see create, then you click on create. It will take you to this page. Then the next thing, you click on get started. What do you want to name this page? You have to write, choose a name that represents your business or what you are into, your product or services. If you are into fashion, if you're into hair, woman hair, if you are selling hair, anything you're doing, you can go for it. Okay, we can choose human hair luxury. Then you click on next. What category best describes this page? Since my business is all about hair, so I can choose health and beauty. But if the category is not in any of these options, you can use your hand to write it. I can choose beauty. I can just type only beauty. I can use beauty store. Then you click on next. That's next. Do you want an do you want to add an address? Yeah, you can add address. But if you don't want, you can just click on I don't want an address. You click on it, then click on next. Then add image to this page, add cover photo, add profile picture. You have to choose maybe the picture of what you are selling. Like this page now is about human hair, so I can select any picture of human hair and then upload. So all you have to do is to tap on it. If you tap on it, then you go to your image and select any pictures of human hair and then upload it. Then I'm not going to upload anything now, but I'm just showing you guys how to upload it. Then your profile picture, the same thing, you tap on it to take you to your images, and then select picture that you're going to upload there. Then after that, done. So for now, this page is ready. The next thing now is to connect your WhatsApp to your Facebook. You type in your phone number, then continue, and and click on continue at least to connect your WhatsApp to this Facebook so that people can easily send you message on WhatsApp. So this is what this is how to create a business page. So if you go now, you go back and then see your page, that your page is ready. So the next thing now to do is to create a post on this your page. You create a post. Okay, now how do you create this post? If you click on create a post, this is the options that comes up. Then you select, if you're using a video or a photo, then you click on it and then select any of the photos or pictures about this about your products. Okay, let me just select this one, although I'm not using it. You see, then you do some write-up. Come and shop with us. Then you click on share, then set it to news feed. Don't click boost post because you're not boosting this post now. Just click on news feed, then share. See, your media will be uploaded. So if you go back, you have to go back and come back again to see that review post. You can see I've uploaded it. Now this is all about how to create a Facebook page. Now the next thing now we'll be talking about is how to run adverts from this page. Now if you want to run an advert from this page, what you need to do is to click on this boost post. Now that will be on our next training.